TFTS episode 30, the 30 with your head pooper in command, Josh Jack, an educational show about something we all do. You ain't pooping, you ain't living. If you think the show's nasty, eventually you're gonna poop. You're nasty, and when you were born, you came out your mother's shitty cunt. I messed that up. Well, didn't matter anyways. Well, folks, it's been about 3 or 4 weeks. I purposely waited. Last show of the year. We have 4 poop articles. We haven't had any poop articles in the last, I think, 2 shows. Finally, 4 of them. And then we have some topics. It's going to be the usual 12-minute show. Not doing this live because nobody calls in. And if I'm lucky, one person in the chat. But nonetheless, let's do this. So the first article is Portable Toilet Company stages holiday light show with Singing John's 2020. A year left many people feeling like things are going down the toilet. Finally, near said Indiana Sanitation Company floods displays to celebrate New Year. Uses its portable toilets for a light show. I think I read this before, but if I did, I apologize. How to decorate without breaking the bank. One comment wrote, "Great job, everyone." So pretty much they lit up a bunch of portable toilets. It looks like it's a light show, but it's filled with poop. That's pretty cool. Amazon driver allegedly dumped packages in woods. Claimed it was feces. It's a African-American chap. Amazon driver in New Jersey dumped packages from his delivery vehicle. Town officer, he was throwing his poop into the woods. A Logan Township cop on patrol noticed the van on Route 30 on November 2nd. Spotted the driver, I'm not going to say his name, 23-year-old young guy, and thrown a box into the woods. After he being told the alleged doo-doo, the cop told he can retrieve the tossed box and realized the suspect was getting rid of packages. So the guy he had a fucking heavy load, not in his stomach, and he decided to throw it out. Here's another new poop article for you folks. The third one. Bird poop time machine shows a staggering historic decline in seabirds. When European settlers began arriving in eastern North America in the 16th century, they were met by staggering number of seabirds. One of the most abundant in the Leach's storm, blah, blah, blah. At night, the birds return. The settlers were likely to have a witch-like crackling. I'm trying to get to the... You figured I would. When the French settlers arrived, some harvesting the birds for food, but they were found disappointed. Many calling them worth nothing to eat. Bird poop. Here we go. Looking at the bottom of the lakes have been collecting feces and other debris left by nesting seabirds. And blah, blah, blah. I don't feel like reading more of this, but let's get to the poop. The show's all about poop, right? Last one. Study finds eating healthy people's poo can reduce symptoms leading to heart attacks and type 2 diabetes. If you folks aren't shit eaters out there, you want to live a healthy life, you better start eating shit. A study looking at whether eating healthy people's poo can make you lose weight has some remarkable, unexpected results. Is it healthy to eat poop, though, is the question. While it didn't make participants lose weight, it did reduce a condition that led to heart attacks and type 2 diabetes. The good shit. There's a TV documentary. We gotta watch that for the show. We want a diverse community. You mean like racial or poop diversity? A little like bacteria altogether. We thought we would get dramatic weight loss. It didn't happen. What we did see was a metabolism syndrome also disappeared and treated. Higher blood sugars, major risk for heart disease. My body was reacting normally, blah, blah, blah. So at the end of the day, so if you do take care of them, you start to take care of them, they would start to change. So there's the poop articles, folks. We went through all 4 of them. Some better than others. The Amazon one was the best one, I think. And let's get to the poop topics. I love the word dookie. That's a great word. When I was a kid, I would always say, I have to take a dookie. And people would go, ew. Everyone's immature as a kid. Ew. But dookie, I don't like the word duty. That's a Sarah Silverman word. It's too cute. Dookie. That was the word I used for my generation. I think I'm going to bring it back. Many people... My poops have been not human. Watery and acidy. Now, I wrote this weeks ago. At first, I wasn't taking solid dumps. I don't know why. They were really watery and acidy. And then I started eating more turkey sandwiches at work. And they have gotten better. What else do we got? So I was pooping at work. And they have cleaning schedules. You guys know because of COVID restrictions, they have to clean the bathroom, a couple times a day. And there's a big men's bathroom in the front entrance. There's multiple bathrooms, but they're all far away. Giant warehouse. So I'm at work, and I gotta take a shit. Oh! And I'm in the bathroom, and the cleaning woman's about to come in. Now, first of all, I'm like, why is it a cleaning woman? Why can't it be a cleaning guy? You figure, like, let's send a guy in the men's bathroom. Why is it always a woman who has to go in the bathroom? So she starts flicking the lights up. She's like, hello? And there was like 2 other people in the bathroom with me shitting. One guy leaves. The other one leaves. But as you guys know, I got a lot of shit in my ass, man. And I used the wipes, and I don't want to go back to work when my underwear is stuck up my ass pipe. Oh. So I start wiping, and then finally she goes, hello? I'm trying to come in. And I was like, yes, 1 minute, please. So I start taking wipes and start jamming them up my ass. Just jamming them. I'm like, and I'm really poking my sphincter, man. I'm surprised I didn't rupture it. Well, and then finally I go out and I put my head down in shame, and she looks at me, and I put my head down like, because I'm like, I don't want to make eye contact with the fucking cleaning lady who just knew I took a big fucking shit. I got to shit, man. I got to shit. I'm working long hours. I had chocolate hazelnut wafers and a Wawa Chipotle bacon turkey pita sandwich later on, and I filled my bowl up with a brownie-type meatloaf dump. It looked like a brownie and a meatloaf on top of the rim. Big poopy platter, folks. I wish that, there's more people out there I know who like this show. We just have to find them. I gotta go on Reddit and do research or something. But it's like, I wish there was something. Sometimes, you take a poo, you wish you could send a picture to somebody. Sometimes I want to send a picture to somebody. Not to you guys, because that's disgusting, but someone on Reddit. I wish I had their number. Wouldn't it be great if you send a picture to somebody you didn't know of your poop? And they're like, who the fuck is this? And you're like, take a look at my shit. You're like, that's fucking disgusting. Who the fuck is this, man? You're like, look at this big shit, bro. Oh yeah, so I bought a new box of baby wipes from Target. Now, you guys probably don't remember, a couple months ago, I bought the big box. The regular box is 8 bags of wipes. This is 12 bags of wipes, which is 1,200 wipes. 12 packs of wipes, for those of you who do math out there. And pretty much, I thought it was going to last me till like January, or at least end of January. I used them all up before even the end of this month. I just bought another box, haven't opened it yet, but I got my wipes early, as you guys know. I carry that shit right on the bus. I don't care what people, that guy's in the bathroom all day. You're damn right I am. You can make fun of me if you want. I got to get my wipes. So I went to Burger King and I bought the spicy chicken crisp sandwich, the crispy spicy chicken sandwich. Now, I gotta say this, Burger King, usually they suck. The Burger King every single Burger King that I've been to gives me shitty service. Shitty service, shitty food. Well, I gotta tell you, this time it was delicious. I got there at 11 o'clock. It just came out the deep fryer, the grill, whatever they make this thing. But later on, just like the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich I had for the first time, it burned my ass, man. It really did. It just gives you that thing. But sometimes you need that burn to make you feel alive. And then on top of that, you use the baby wipes and it cools it off. It's like when you take a shot in a beer. You take a shot and then it kind of burns your throat, but then you sip the beer and you're like, that's what it does. It's a shot in a beer. What else do we have? Oh yeah, this is disgusting. One of my turds was moving. It was moving, guys. It was disgusting. I took a dump and I flushed I have to use buckets of water, as we said before, because I have a small toilet. So I put one bucket down, and as I'm going to put the other one, I saw one of my poops on top of the other poops moving back and forth like Frogger. This thing's alive. Folks, my poop is alive. Nobody wants to hear about your poops. I know, but I gotta tell somebody. Only one or two, three people like this show, and they're anonymous for a reason. The show's disgusting. I don't have that much stuff left. What is it? Oh, yeah. So you guys saw the video of the Flamin' Hot Lime Doritos. And pretty much it gave me a red poop, not blood. It burned bad, and I had to drink Pepto-Bismol. So those of you know the aftermath, if you eat a whole bag of the Flamin' Hot Lime Doritos, you're gonna poop a red dump. It's gonna be acidy and liquidy, not solid at all. And I drank up Pepto-Bismol, It burned my ass really bad, and pretty much after I drank the Pepto-Bismol, pretty much I felt better. And finally, today, I had some soft chicken tacos. Okay, I made them fresh. Actually, I made soft pork tacos. And then for dinner, I had these chicken breasts left over because I didn't want to use them for the tacos. I used the pork instead. So I bought spices today. I bought paprika, chili powder, and cayenne pepper for a future food cooking video. And I made a spicy chicken sandwich. It wasn't as good as Burger King's, but I put it on rye bread. And folks, I haven't shitted it out yet, but eventually, my ass is gonna burn. I ate too much spice today. I put hot sauce on the pork tacos. I fucking had a spicy chicken sandwich. I didn't put too much seasoning, but I put a little bit of hot sauce on there. Folks, I'm fucked. But that's it for the show. Perfectly. Look at this, 11 minutes. The show's always 11, 12 minutes, which is why I like this show. The next show's probably going to be 3 weeks from now. We might start doing monthly shows. Unless we start finding more poop articles. Feel free to send stuff. And folks, thank you for watching. Have a good New Year's, a happy New Year's. Keep on pooping. If you're a hater of the show, I hope you bleed out your ass till you die. If you're a fan of the show, I hope you have healthy, solid poops. And that's it. You just listened to...
Tales from the shit.
Keep on pooping, folks.